Hey everybody, goofy looking fat boy Smoott coming at you here. I'm going to get busy here and do a little cooking video for you. I'm going to build my, what do you call them, bacon shots. Basically it's just bacon, looks like a little shooter glass, which I guess that's why they call them shots. Made them the other night for the first time. They turned out absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to make a set of them here right away for you and film the process. And try to edit it. I haven't done any of this stuff for a while, so anyways, I'm gonna go get at it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, first of all, you got to make the cream cheese filling. Now what I do is I just take a good old brick of the filling, and because I'm only going to make a few here just for demonstration, I'm just going to use half of that. Now it's been sitting on the counter for an hour or so, so it's kind of warm. Just throw that in my bowl, set that here for a minute. Now what I'm going to do, should have had a fork out. I'm going to chop up a few pickled jalapenos to add into that. Don't need a lot. But you got to have a little spice in there, if you know what I mean. There, that should do it. Scoop that up and put that in the cream cheese. And that's the filling that's going to go in our bacon shots here in a few minutes. Now in there I'm going to take, got garlic powder, whichever way I guess. I don't know which way it is up on this camera because I haven't done this in months. So I got half a teaspoon, or half a tablespoon of, what the heck is that? Garlic powder. I'm going to throw that in there. And half a tablespoon of onion powder. Just old ordinary everyday onion powder. And then you can use whatever seasoning that you want. Me, prefer kind of just a regular old everyday seasoning salt. Just about that much. Should do it. And you just mix her all up. And like I said, that'll be our filling for our bacon shots. I'm having a hard time thinking because I'm thinking about how good these are going to be here in a little bit. Oh, they're going to be so yummy. Anyways, there's our filling. Or part of our filling, I guess, for them. Okay, now set that off to the side. I'm also going to be using just a marble cheese, because you got to have cheese with your bacon. Now I cut it kind of, as you can see how thick it is here, so I want to cut it kind of about the same thickness, roughly. You don't have to be perfect. And I don't think I'll make more than that, so I'll stop there. And then I'll just kind of line them up and cut them kind of like that, and like that. So there, now we got our cheese to go with it. So anyways, okay, I'll get on to making the actual bacon shots and then assemble them, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, now I'm going to show you how I make my bacon shots. What I got here is like a double smoked farmer sausage. I just bought it at the store. You got to kind of get rid of that end. Oh yeah, that was bad. I couldn't let anybody eat. Now you got to just kind of cut them into discs, about like that. That ever going to taste good when I got a bunch of bacon wrapped around that. Now this is a pretty easy appetizer to make. Made it the other day. A bunch of my YouTube friends seen it on my Facebook page and were giving me a hard time why I didn't make a video. So I'm going to make a video. I'm going to set that aside because I'm going to eat that. And I'll just put some of these away just so that they got a little room. Now this is the hard part here. Or not. Now you just take I could probably cut this in half. Yeah, okay, so cut your bacon in half. I used a larger sausage the last time, so it wrapped around her twice. Oh, not quite twice, but these are much smaller sausage. Now you just basically wrap it, and then you take a toothpick and you stick it through. Oops. And there you got basically a bacon shot. Looks like a little shot glass. And you build a whole bunch of them, and I'll do another one here so you can kind of see. It's really quite a simple process. There. Now you just keep doing that until you got your bowl filled. And as soon as I get that done, I will come back and I'll show you the next step. Alrighty then. Okay, now I've got, well, as you can see, like I said, they're little shot glasses. I got them all ready to go. Now it's just a matter of filling them and cooking them and eating them. Now, I'm going to grab a spoon because it works better. Now you just fill them with your cream cheese and your cheese filling. That's pretty simple. Now, the way I do it is I just grab a spoonful of the cream cheese and use a chunk of cheese to kind of push it into the bottom of that little cup. Squish her down. Go to the next one. Just squish her down. Like, it's not rocket science by any means. Now your filling, you can put pretty much any kind of filling you want in them as far as that goes. It's just that this is what I've tried and it worked really good the last time. I'm going to experiment more with them, different flavors, you know, at a future date. But yeah, you can use any kind of cheese, any kind of sausage, whatever. I'm just showing you how I make them, just so that you know, you have an idea. And well, I'm gonna try to make a bunch more of these cooking videos, and this is going to be kind of my first. I haven't been on YouTube for a while, so it's kind of like a comeback video too, I guess. Not quite sure. See what happens. Okay, then after you get them all kind of filled up like that, like I said, pretty simple. Then I just top them with a little bit of what I use is that squeezed pizza sauce. For now, you can come up with your own ideas, I guess. Because like I said, this isn't rocket science, and I ain't no space engineer. So anyways, then I just kind of give it a good squirt of pizza sauce on top of them. Oh, a little carried away with that one, but life goes on. Alrighty, and there you go. That's how easy it is to prepare them. Now, this bowl here, due to experience, I have learned to have a second one of these available, because after you got these in the oven at 350 for a little better than half an hour, the bacon renders down and it starts to fill up. You got like a whole bunch of grease in there. And what I did the last time is I pulled it out and I just transferred them into a different dish and then let them finish cooking. Anyways, I'm going to throw them in the oven, 350-ish, for about half an hour, 45 minutes before I change them over, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, I just dragged them out of the oven. As you can see, they're all nice and crispy and sizzling. Yum, yum, yum. Wow, them are looking good. So anyways, that's bacon shots. Put some light on in here. Bacon shots. You can make them in the barbecue too. I made them the other night in the barbecue. You gotta let them cool down a bit. I highly recommend that you pull the toothpick and pull it out of there before you eat them, because well, you know, you can leave it in there if you want to, you know, stab your mouth with a toothpick or something, but I don't recommend it. Anyways, it's nice, easy, easy to make appetizer. They're absolutely yummy, and they are also keto friendly for anybody that wants to gun it out. Now, I'm not saying eat the whole damn tray of them, because then, yeah, no. But yeah, no, they are keto friendly. Bacon's good for you. Cream cheese is good for you. The cheese is good for you. They're all low in carbs, and yeah. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to come up with some more ideas for some more cooking videos here soon. Hopefully you guys watch them and enjoy them. And as always, till later, Smoott out.